Your Fire Stick. Let's see, your Fire Stick might look different because you might have the horizontal view of the newer update on the Fire Stick. This is an old generation Fire Stick. This is just my random one laying around here. As you can hear sound when you click, you don't get that sound. The only thing I can suggest if you're not getting that sound besides a factory reset, and if you don't know how to put Kodi on there, then you might have some problems. But if you go down to your settings over here, it'll be to the right if you're horizontal or whatever. Display sounds and settings, and you can go to audio display. And if your notifications are off, see you don't hear the click anymore. So that could be navigation sounds, but otherwise you should hear the click. Otherwise, if this could have been changed like this, and it gives me a notification that if your TV receiver does not, whatever, blah, 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 you might not hear sound from movies or TV shows, but I still hear the clicks. But I don't know if that's because my TV does whatever. But it's always set to digital Dolby Digital automatic. Other than that, I don't see anything that would change your sound from these clicks being off. Now, inside Kodi, there'll be a different story, but see if those are an issue first.